What's going on, guys? Alex here. Just want to share my results for the past 12 weeks as an appointment setter in the high ticket online industry. All right, so for those of you who've been following me for quite some time, obviously I originally came from the real estate side of real estate space and recently transitioned into the online world so that I can get the location freedom, the time freedom, the financial freedom that I was hoping real estate could provide for me, which took a ton of effort trying to build my own business, wear all the hats as far as what being a business owner. Some of you who've tried that or are that, you know how much work it takes. Whereas with this, it's just one skill you got to learn, guys. It's just sales, and you can get all that location freedom, time freedom, even financial freedom that real estate can provide as well. So, huge fan and a huge blessing that I've transitioned into where I am today. And here are my results. So basically, started late April. All right, late April, and then May. I had a couple weddings to go to. So my first real full month was in June. Okay. So there's my month in June. Basically, I'll show you what. So connections means the amount of conversations I had. Each conversation is about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And I had 11 closed. 11 closed equates to 49.50. So I made 49.50, which basically replaced my incomes. Starting my first full month. As an agent, I was earning about 5K per month, 60K a year. So, and I had to do, I had to do my own marketing, my own ads, paperwork sucked, showings, right? Especially during COVID. Imagine showing a bunch of apartments in the Boston area during COVID. Awkward and not fun. And then ton of follow, just everything. As an agent, you're basically like your own business. Versus with this, I'm on the phone and no paperwork. Don't even have to generate my own leads. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy how much less effort it takes for me to replace and earn more than what I was doing before. So that was in June. July had 241 conversations, 18 closed, which equates to, looking at my sheet up here, it's 79.50 a month. So I earned basically 8,000 this month in July. And then in August is when I started to like build up steam in July, and in August is when I feel like I'm kind of gotten the hang of it. So 241 conversations, 63 sets means those are the appointments that I booked on the calendar, and then 18 closed. So 241. You can see here in August I did less. I did 214 conversations and 21 closed. And 21 closed equates to 9,000. All right. So basically, this is a six-figure income right here. That's 108,000 a month. All right. So over the last my first 3 full months in the online high ticket sales space with just appointment setting, did 50 closed. And this averages out to about a little over 16 deals a month, which 16 deals is about 7,250. So that's about an $87,000 a year income. Okay. So if you earn anywhere between 60 to 80,000, even if you earn more than that, let's say you earn six figures right now, $100,000 a year, but you hate your job. Maybe you're working 60 plus hours a week. You're tied down. You have a boss who tells you what to do, and you have to ask someone else for permission in order to take vacations, right? You just don't have that time freedom. You're not able to travel. You don't have the location freedom where you could do something from anywhere in the world. I mean, how much is that worth to you? Because for me, I would much rather earn, let's say, 60K a year, having complete location and time freedom where I can work when I want. Like this past week, I took off 9 days without working. And every 3 months, I take anywhere between 7 to 10 days off. So I'd rather earn 60K having that time freedom. Oh, and every month I take off like a long weekend. So like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? 3-day weekend to myself. So if I'm earning 60K a year and I have that time freedom and location freedom, I'd so much rather prefer that than earning 2 times as much, call it 120K a year, 10K a month as an agent, where I don't have the location freedom. Or if you don't even have your time freedom because you work like a regular 9 to 5, then that's even worse, right? Like I wouldn't be happy doing that even if I was making like 150, 250 a year. You know what I mean? So you just have to really think about how much your time, how valuable that is to you, having that freedom of being able to take time off whenever you want, being able to travel, being able to work from anywhere. What that's worth for you? I know for me, it's almost priceless. You know, but I'm actually earning pretty good money too. I'm earning more than I was as an agent, and I get those other benefits. So basically, wanna let you know if you're doing something that you don't like, being in the online space, even just setting appointments could be enough to really change everything for you. All right. And I know I haven't posted pretty much any content on this, but I'm going to do my best to be more consistent. Naturally, when I transition into a new industry, I mean, I spend all my time learning about it, you know, and so that's where my time's gone. You know, these past 3, 4 months have just been focused. That's why I've been able to hit the numbers that I do. But moving forward, I'm going to do my best to post more content. Hopefully, I can help somebody out. As you know, my background's in real estate. I was doing creative finance, lease options, owner finance deals. I managed to do one deal, which is pathetic. But it really helped me like craft up my skills, you know, because I did a ton of thousands of cold calls to get that one deal. And it's, how do I say it? It really, yeah, it basically sharpened my skills over the phone, which translated beautifully into this industry to where now I'm hitting, you know, what I call financial stability. Anything over 60K per year, I figure 5 to 10K to me is financial stability. My goal is to eventually get to, and I have it up here, to get to 20 to 30K per month in sales from anywhere in the world. That to me is going to be my ideal lifestyle. If I'm netting, and I'm talking net, guys, right? When you're a business owner, you know very well, like if you're earning 20 to 30K per month as a business owner, you're really netting like definitely not that, you know, depending on if you have any marketing costs, if you hire people, you're probably netting like 50 to 60% of that if you're a one man show. So I'm talking like net, you know what I mean? Like 20, 30K per month, that's 250 to 3, whatever it is, you know, a year. That's enough for me to have a nice place here in the States and have another second place somewhere in Latin America where I can travel as many times as I want throughout the year. You know? So that'll be enough for me to hit my ideal lifestyle. And I'm not going to stop there. You know, obviously, eventually I see myself going further than that, but I'm just saying, like, if you, this has been a blessing. Transitioning into this space. So if you guys have any questions, right? If you have any questions on the online high ticket sales space, if you want to know what type of industries, anything at all, just feel free to post them in the comment section. I really don't even know what to post right now when it comes to these videos because I'm still so new to it. So just let me know what videos you want me to post, any questions that you have. That'll probably give me more insights into what kind of content I can create on here. Because I don't want to stop creating videos. I mean, I really enjoyed it. Even though I didn't make, I made like $5,000 within creative real estate investing off that one deal. When I looked back, I was very proud of the fact that I still created content throughout that time, you know, and I helped some people out. Some people found out that it wasn't really for them. Some people still got value from my videos and are still pursuing it. Whatever that is for you, you know, it feels good to know that I've actually shared some of my lessons, you know, failures, some successes within that journey, and it made it worth it, you know, versus if I didn't post anything at all during that time, it probably would have been tough for me to like justify it, you know, all that time with little results. I'm just being completely honest with you. But at the same time, it crafted my skills, you know, it honed in my skills, and now I'm putting it to good use. So once again, guys, I don't want to drag this video on. Again, it's been a while since I posted my last one. I'm going to do my best to be more consistent. Post any questions you guys got, and I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. Take care.